Vizio TV replacement remote. The ideal Vizio TV replacement remote. This is the best Vizio replacement remote when your original Vizio remote is broke or got lost. This remote is 100% compatible with Vizio TVs, LCD, LED, plasma. It works exactly like your old Vizio remote. You don't need to worry about compatibility as it offers the same functions as your original Vizio remote. Additionally to its simple setup, you can simply use the learning feature to fully customize this remote with ease, by copying functions directly from other remote controls. Product summary. Guarantee to work all Vizio TVs. No setup required. Put the batteries in and it is ready to use. Learning feature. URC 1823. Works with all types of Vizio TVs. The Vizio TV replacement remote is compatible with all types of TVs like LCD, LED and plasma. No setup required. Simply insert the batteries and start using your Vizio TV replacement remote, as easy as it gets. Same functions as your original remote. The Vizio replacement remote supports all common Vizio functions from your old remote. Top reviews from the United States. Fastest setup ever. This has got to be the easiest remote I have ever had. I bought a TV that had no remote and figured I'd have a hard time setting it up. Wrong. Had it up and running in less than 5 minutes. Remote was for a Vizio.